Right, howdy folks, how we doing? Welcome to Lamma 2019. We're going to go for a bit of a wander around. Mind you, where's Dino?
I see him heading that away towards the fence stand, so
right.
We'll catch up with him a little later.
Yeah, he'll be about. Well, it is, but you imagine trying to keep that bugger clean. You'd be out every bloody morning polishing it. It's lovely, don't get me wrong.
Colour for you, isn't it?
Ideal, isn't it?
It's nice.
Yeah. Tangerine.
I was just saying to Ben, you imagine trying to keep the bugger clean. You'd have to. You'd be polishing it every day.
You've got to keep it clean anyway, haven't you? Yeah.
Well, I tell you what, when Fast Tracks used to have the full-size bull bar on, you would always catch them on gate posts or whatever. Exactly the same as this, I should think. Yeah. You're backing into a gate or...
You're going to catch it, just swinging around it.
Yeah. Trouble is, you won't bend the blooming bull bar like you did on the Fast Track, you'll just snap the gate off. That's fair old, what's that, 20 mil, 25 mil?
Good 25 mil.
Yeah. That's the only downside with that. But yeah, smart, isn't it? We just swapped the Johnny for it, but.
I'd love to have a go in one properly to compare, because a lot of people say they are a driver's tractor.
They really are.
I've never driven a Voucher.
I've driven the older series. Do you remember when Class were marketing them?
Yeah, the old green
T whatever.
Well, I had a T180.
What a brilliant bit of kit. Yeah. And then my mate got an S series.
The bigger ones.
I don't know a week on that, but yeah, I mean, and now another mate of mine's got one of the new ones, and he rates it. Really does.
Yeah, quite a rare thing now to see a trike. This is it's by PMC who do the pea harvesters. So you don't tend to see over this way much, it's more the US market, North American market. Macdon. This being an FD130 flex scraper. I mean, over here most customers spec the cutter that comes with the combine rather than opting for like a Macdon or a Draper.
Differently, you can see from the way the curve.
They've done without that front bar, haven't they? Yeah. No, let's have a look inside.
That's
You've got a folding
pull-out handle.
Yeah, pull-out handle so you don't catch it when you get out.
Yeah, doesn't catch any coat.
So of course we're missing the. It's a fully curved screen now, and the protection bars, they're all angles, so you got that brilliant view up ahead now. And well, it's a completely new interior in it, isn't it?
Yeah.
You've got a new joystick. You got the steering wheel at the fast track,
isn't it?
Yeah.
They're getting the trim and that, the colour and.
Yeah,
like in the X series excavators.
Yeah.
So sort of really bringing it up to that now.
Yeah, throughout the range.
Nice, easily, usable controls and everything.
Aircon. Yeah,
and it's all easily laid out, easy to hand.
Yeah.
Good, isn't it?
Nice, mate.
Good headroom in there, and that.
Yeah.
You're not gonna bang your arm on the side. Nice.
No. Armrest comes up and down with the seat, so. Yeah, it's nice, mate, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Spot on.
Yeah.
It really is.
Lovely job.
I like that.
I'm just happy I did it quick.
Right, here's YouTuber Ollie. He's busy doing a video on JCB stand. Check out his channel, Ollie's Farm. There'll be a link in the description. That's a good idea, though. They should all come with front opening windows on them, shouldn't they? You know what I reckon?
No, I used to drive Steyrs and they used to have front opening windows.
Did they?
Or on the road.
Good when you got no aircon, though.
You get bloody flies in your eyes and up your nose.
Well, there's a downside, I'll give you that.
And you remember if you were throwing offside or something, you remember shutting the bastards on the chopper and blow it through the front window.
Yeah.
Wheels.
fine.
alright.
Yeah.
I've seen you on YouTube.
Smart,
Have
yeah.
you?
Excellent.
You seen Dino's videos?
Yeah, I'll subscribe to all of
Do you?
Yeah.
Good lad.
Who's your favourite? Dino, isn't it?
You drive the fast track, so.
Oh,
Yeah.
there you go. Got to be me then, isn't it?
You won on that one then.
If I can get you a,
Good lad, give him a sticker.
give him a sticker, yeah.
Thank you.
It's alright, mate. Well, that's a bit of kit, isn't it?
Smells, isn't it?
Yeah. So I've always dismissed these tilt rotators,
Yeah, yeah.
but just think of what potential that could open up. Because I've always thought about, you know, when you're doing taking off bows or whatever,
Yeah.
chainsaw main cage, if you could have something, but then if you've got a shear or something on the machine, that's all that's doing, it's cutting, it's
Yeah,
dropping.
you can't tidy up
You
with
can't
it.
tidy
You
up.
can't pick it up.
But with these, assume you can do a cut with a shear, grab it, move it, stack it, burn it up,
or whatever.
yeah. So, Sean, now you actually run and operate one of these Encon tilt rotators.
I do.
So you know a bit about them.
Hope so.
Because as I said, I don't, really don't. Never, you know, use one. But we were just looking, Ben and I, about the potential that these have.
Yep.
You know, maybe clearing boughs of overhanging branches on an estate, fencing,
Yeah.
removing old posts, putting new posts in,
Yeah.
ditching, head walls, removing old scrub out the side of a bank. I mean, it just goes on and on, doesn't it?
Yeah, it changes it because it changes it from being a digger to a tool carrier because of your oil that you're getting through it and where you can set the machine and everything else. So because it does that, it changes from a digger to a tool carrier.
Right, so obviously your controls though are different because you've got to you know operate these other facilities.
Yep.
So what have you got on here? Because that just looks mind blowing to me.
So you got your standard
Yep.
what's it with the digger, then this way it changes. So you got your tilt and rotate on either of these. So
Yep.
one, I can't remember it off the top of my head, but one's tilt, one's rotate.
Yep.
I'll just naturally jump
You
in
naturally
and
do it, yeah.
Yeah.
And then underneath, then you've got another 4 rollers.
Right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
you have. Yeah.
So that changes then to either grab or tracking or blade, which is what I've got on mine. So I don't have to use the pedals in the digger. I do everything off these levers. So I track, lift my
track as
blade,
well?
and grab,
And blade?
and tilt, rotate, everything.
Everything.
Off the
Everything.
Your
is all
feet
off
are,
them.
you
I
just
don't-
put your feet up.
They're
basically.
redundant now, yeah. Everything's off there, but it's all proportional. So your blade
Yeah, so
proportional,
yeah.
your grab's proportional.
Normally with most machinery, I like to look at them so I can assess them and evaluate them. Or just want to have a go on one of these and have a play. You know, this looks absolutely fantastic. So, well, thank you very much for that.
No worries.
And yeah, we've got to be in touch. We've got to be in touch and see what we can
we'll
do.
Sort it out. No
Brilliant.
problem at all.
It's Coon stand. They bought every bit of kit they possess. Massive stand.
Nice cab.
It is, isn't it? Good bit of vision. You're a long way.
Yeah, it's a suspended cab now as well.
Yeah.
It's nice that. I quite, yeah. Did you have one to try?
Not one of
the
these
new one.
new-
No, but you had one.
Yeah, I've had 2 of them, the 30, 50.
How does that compare in the cab to it then?
No. So yeah, they've changed a lot, haven't they? Bugger.
It's got a bay window behind you.
We're made for
Yeah.
open roads, no hedgerows and whatever
Yeah.
in general.
Yeah.
But I think over here,
They'll always be. Oh, you'll get that anywhere.
you'll get down here, mate.
Yeah,
It's
no
all right.
worries, mate. That'll be fine.
Well, I just bought my little old
Will you-
35X down there yesterday. Didn't
Yeah.
touch the
Yeah,
sign.
you'll be alright, mate. What's it? Fucking 40? No, 50 foot long? It's got to be 50 foot in it. I think.
40 foot.
Doesn't bend, obviously.
40 foot, I reckon.
Yeah. It's obviously all-wheel steer, but even still. And these things, well,
Always worries me, you're gonna, if you went down the tight lane,
yeah.
you get a bush or a hedgerow, just twang them.
Exactly. Well, how many gateway you think this is going to go through that it's going to have a lot of room?
Mind you, see, that's, I suppose you got a bit of,
Well, you've got a bit, but you've got a gate post there or something.
That's
Don't
coming
take-
out, taking
don't-
off.
Yeah, and you bollocks, didn't you? You lost your air. Tim, this Veenhouse?
Veenhouse.
I've never seen one before. It's caught my eye. We do slurry. I'm going to say the old-fashioned way compared to this.
Yep.
We've got front and rear reelers, trailing shoe.
Yep.
Can you just sort of run us through how this system works? Obviously, it's using drag hoses, but not how I've seen them before.
No, it's different because drag hose effectively it has all the advantage of the drag hose without any of the inconvenience.
Yeah.
So basically we've got a reel which is carrying probably 650 metres
Yep.
of hose on it, which is a lay flat under pressure.
Yep.
So it's a round hose.
Yeah.
And we put that down on the ground using the arm
Yep.
and then pick it back up again on the way back.
So when you're turning, you come up to the headland then.
Yeah.
So you come up to the headland, you're pumping, get to the headland.
You drop the pump pressure a little bit.
Yep.
Because you're no longer, you've lifted up.
Yep.
The injector at the back, it's closed off the valve, so
Right.
you've got no leakage.
So you're not coming out. Yep.
Yeah,
Yep.
so you're all clean and tidy. You turn back using the dog leg that's on the front of the machine.
Right. Yep.
So you can turn back on yourself without scrubbing on the ground.
Yep.
And you'll go back the way you came. And instead of unwinding like the fishing reel,
Yeah.
you then start winding it back up again.
Right.
All right, with the arm, so that each time you put the hose down, you pick it up. So the hose is never dragging on the ground.
Yeah.
It doesn't drag through the crop.
Yep.
There's no rolling resistance because you're not pulling anything.
You're not dragging. Yeah.
So there's no wear on the hose. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we can go into a standing crop and not do any damage at all.
So you can go into a lot higher standard crops than you can with a
Indeed.
standard drag hose setup.
Totally. So I'd say all the advantages of an injection without any of the inconveniences of tank compaction or anything else, or the inconvenience.
Almost the best of both worlds, really, isn't it?
Certainly,
Yeah.
that's what we think it is.
Yeah.
It's cutting edge in terms of what it's doing. So, yeah.
Lovely job.
Cool.
Cheers, Tim. Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome. All right,
Much
thanks so much.
So you can actually see. I wonder if it's done just for the show or if it's actually not.
It's just done for the show.
Hey, George, Alan was just saying something. This is probably, I don't know, done just for the show.
Yeah.
But a light inside a tank, so you actually get a.
You can see where your level is.
After a bit, you're going to scratch or whatever you do. Yeah.
Well, especially with rate.
Yeah.
You know, rate is. You know, that's a good idea, isn't it?
I don't know how the practicalities of it work out.
Will it work out in the daylight? But
Yeah, well, as long as it's brighter than.
than
it's dark,
day.
then
LED light in there.
Yeah.
maybe they do. Might, I don't know.
Yeah.
But they have got
That's a good idea, though, isn't it?
absolutely
Yeah.
fantastic kit. They really have.
It looks pretty sexy. It looks like a transformer. You reckon the track's a big one, do you?
Well, I don't know.
How big? Where did your John Deere one come up? You see a turret track.
That sort of configuration.
Yeah.
But no, if you can get up onto them, to get up in.
Yeah. Well, I don't know what that offers you. That big drop. I mean, obviously.
It's more. Is it more tall?
I don't know. I mean,
You got a
turret
longer
tracks.
Very easy to keep clean. And it's, a lot less ledges.
Yeah. Don't know.
You've got fair access to your road.
Yeah.
Very little. You got a couple of drive belts, but a lot of it seems to be hydraulic. Well, you got the drive belt coming off that hydraulic motor, but a lot of it seems to be.
What do you reckon then, Ben?
Very posh. Very posh. No, it's. There's a lot of well thought out things on it. Right. The cab, well, you've got your familiarity with your fence setup, haven't you? I think is this the same as in the Katanas, the Foragers, or are they? I'm not sure, but that's nice. It's all there, isn't it? It's all there.
As you say, it's quite sort of simple, clean, and well laid out.
Yeah. You've got excellent bloody visibility down to your header. Just taking it all in, isn't it? Yeah.
So you got, well, you know what you got. Watch the video.
Vervet Hydrotronium. This is the one with an extending middle axle on it. So that out a bit there, that slides in and out, so when you're in the field they slide out so that each wheel covers a different bit of ground, reduces compaction, and obviously it slides in for going up the road.
I've got some big stuff here.
Yeah, do you want a mower? Size on that? Well, it's basically only big because it's got bloody great round at the back, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's actually quite a bit of room in there.
Yeah, it's room to work round, isn't it?
Yeah.
Quite good. That's the latest top dog thing, then Rob will have it.
Yeah. Fair play to him. Well, I said, well, trouble is, not long you get time to bloody come that time of year, but I'd like to see one going.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I'll get some video of it.
Yeah, you want to. They're the tits. We've got the Fendt Rogator, which obviously was the Challenger. Can't get them anymore. It's all green these days, as well as the MT, which Dino looked at the other day, didn't you, mate?
What's that, the MT?
Yeah, you did the MT against the
Lovely.
775E, didn't you?
Confused a few people because of different colour paint.
Yeah. Yeah, what's that? Dino, they've been listening to you. They've modded it.
They bloody haven't all.
Go and have a word with them.
I should have patented that.
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
He's actually done it, hasn't he?
Yeah, to clear the mud out of the rim.
As it goes round, chuck it out.
Yeah.
Just the one.
Just the one. I suppose that's sort of all it needs.
Dino's
watched my
idea.
video.
He had several.
Either
an angle.
angled or whatever. but
Yeah.
There you go. Problem solved.
They've obviously listened to Dino's video.
Or not.
Or not.